Yo, if this judge don't fling out the whole of this rotted case, I don't know what else. Listen up, hit that subscribe button. Click the bell next to the subscribe button and let's get right into this. So, following up from the last video posted, where the prosecution and the judge, and the judge was saying like, this is not a game, this is serious, and this is not about winning, this is about truth and bringing the truth to the forefront. See, in essence that would be about winning then, but anyhow, the judge had said to them before, please examine all the stuff that needs to be examined. That way, when you come before me, it's time to rock and roll. It's not time to examine stuff. That's not what court hours is for, right? Litigation is to take place here, not examining stuff. I'm giving you both sides ample time to examine. All right. Fast forward now. Court start back again. Shout out to the Jamaica Star. Chief Justice Bryan Sykes described today's sitting of the Klansman One Don gang trial as a grand waste of his time. You know, I waste my time in here. Before abruptly ending the matter for the day. The judge called everything to be adjourned swiftly because he was perturbed. The judge had yesterday instructed the Crown to examine records, the prosecution, to examine records from the Horizon Adult Remand Center and the Spanish Town Police Station, from which evidence is currently being taken as part of the defense case. For those of you who didn't watch the last video, but you're all up in this Kool-Aid and don't know the flavor, let me fill you in quickly. There are some guys here that are on trial, and they are saying that no, it could not be me because I was not out in the free world at the time. My alibi is that I was locked up. Okay. The prosecution then said, well, if you was locked up, where were you locked up at? Them say Horizon Adult Remand Center. Next one says Spanish Town Police Station. Okay. Them say, well, that's easy. We should just go to Horizon Adult Remand Center and Spanish Town Police Station and get the records, right? The records should show when you were admitted into custody and when you were released from custody. You know, walk with me so far? Okay. They went and got the records. The lawyers for these four guys went and got the records from the Horizon Adult Remand Center and from the Spanish Town Police Station. Even though they got a fight to get that information, they got the information. They brought the information to court. The same prosecution now says, we don't want to see that. Tarotted. We don't want to say that. The judge says, listen, you have to inspect the thing. Look upon it, see if anybody white out it, if anybody cross out and put in. You understand? I'm giving you guys ample time. Not in my courtroom. Look at it and you guys come to an agreement where you can. Yes, it looked like something crossed out, or no, it's legitimate. Okay, we're in the wrong, so we have nothing further. We have to drop a case against them upon this, whatever. Whatever y'all got to work that out before you come before me. See? So now we fast forward to today. None of that has been done. So the judge is saying, "On our waste my rotted time in a man." The records concern the admission and dispatch details of 4 defendants who are seeking details to prove that they were not out on road doing what the prosecution said they were doing with the gang. They were actually in custody, not outside participating in these criminal activities that they are saying they were. However, this morning, while a witness from the correctional facility was giving evidence, was giving evidence, the court clerk retrieved the dispatcher's book and took it to show the prosecution the information which he had spoken about. which the correctional facility witness was speaking about. This did not sit too well with the judge because whole heap of move around and go on in the courtroom while this person is up here, this witness from the correctional facility is up here giving evidence. And this is something that I instructed you guys to inspect and go over from day to day. So this did not sit well with the judge. And the judge said that his time was being wasted, as he had asked both parties to look at the data and to agree on what they could. This is a grand waste of my time, is what Chief Justice Sykes said. A grand waste of my time. And it is noted that he was obviously pissed off. This passing around and so on, this is wasting time, he stressed. Now, while questioning what other records are here to be examined, the judge reminded the prosecution that, hey, I told you guys to look at the documents. Gave you enough time. Have all the records examined so we don't waste time in court. He warned them again before quickly ending the session for the day. Called it to adjourn. The four defendants again are Khalifa Williams, Pete Miller, Tariq James, and Donovan Richards, who are yet to close their cases. They are among the 28 defendants remaining in the trial, and they are the only ones who are yet to close their cases. At the end of all this, I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. At the end of all this, what is going to happen, what I see happening, is majority of these guys are going to walk. Now, me don't know about the other charges that they have in there and who is going to get caught up in what and what stick to who. Like, I think the main person they want is Andre Blackman Bryan. That's just my thought. I think that's the main person who they want is Andre Blackman Bryan. But I think majority of the people that were involved in this are going to walk back out the road again. Now we have to remember, things that they were accused of were not proven in a court of law. And that is the reason why they will be let go again. Them never get let go because the judge get paid off. If you've been following this the whole way, it is easy to see, unless you choose not to see, why they walked. So in other words then, next time, tell investigating police officers and tell prosecution to get their act together, to put together an airtight, solid case, to stop being lazy and look over certain documents before and look for certain alibis and proofs and all these things that might be presented in court from the defense before they take all this stuff before the judge, right? And they themselves should come with solid proof of what it is they are accusing someone of, not just one person who say, "Me see it," word of mouth. There has to be more than that. Anyhow, we're going to leave this one right here. So for now, it is what it is, and we will continue to follow this. So hit that subscribe button and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified every time a new video goes up on SouFLoTV. A grand waste of my time. All this shuffling and moving around is a waste of time. I told you to look over and inspect these documents before you come to court. Now here you are in my courtroom doing this while evidence is being given. Come out! Catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace. It's Eat Good TV, y'all. If you like Jamaican food but you're struggling to cook it the right way, then here's a channel that gives it to you step by step. You are guaranteed to be able to cook Jamaican food like a real Jamaican from this channel called Eat Good TV. Go over to Eat Good TV, hit that subscribe button, and try cooking one of those meals. She is real calm about how she does her stuff, and she makes sure that you get all the ingredients right. Eat Good TV. Hit that subscribe button over there and tell them SouFLoTV sent you. I've cooked a couple of meals off of Eat Good TV. Not because I can't cook Jamaican food, because I am a Jamaican myself, but because sometimes I like to see something that I like cooked a different way. So nobody tell the lady that she can't cook, because that is not how you cook it. We all cook it different way. Just go to Eat Good TV, hit that subscribe button, and tell her I sent you.